Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making baby breath wafer paper flowers. They are such a delight to make. I love them a lot. So let's go there. So let's get started. I will just go ahead and list all the things we need. We need wafer paper. We need florist wire gauge 24, a wire cutter, a scissors, a ruler, sugar glue. Sugar glue is CMC plus water, and a spray bottle. So let's start with this tool, or with any sharp instrument you have. Okay, use your ruler to make to draw a straight line on your wafer paper. Now I don't have any particular measurement for this, but it's less than an inch. Let's say it's about 1 centimeter, and then the length is 30 centimeter. Okay, now I've just cut out 2 strips. I'm going to be cutting my strips into 3. Okay, so you actually do not need a long length to create these baby breath flowers, because baby breath flowers are actually very small if you have seen them. So I'm now going to be cutting my wire into 4 with my wire cutter. While I'm cutting my wire, if this is your first time of coming to my channel and you like what you're seeing, please look below and press the subscribe button. Also, do not forget to press the notification bell so that you know when we post awesome videos like this. We are all about wafer paper arts. We love to decorate cakes with fondant. We like to create wafer paper decorations. Thank you so much. Alright, so let's get back to where we stopped. So I'm just using my wafer, my spray bottle to spray some water on my wafer paper. I don't want it too wet, but I want it a little bit wet. So be careful with the way you spray your water, because wafer paper is not forgiving. It doesn't like too much moisture. So create a hook with your wire and then put it over your wafer paper and then clip it. Okay, this is to make sure that your wafer paper does not shake. Now I'm just going to roll a little bit of my wafer paper to cover my wire. Okay, now as soon as I'm done, I'm pinching the bottom to make sure that it's well attached to my wire. Now I'm just going to be making some pleats with my wafer paper, and as I pleat, I'll keep going around. Now I want you to note that baby breath flowers are not really big. They are very tiny flowers. So feel free to cut the excess of the strip whenever you feel it is big enough. You can actually cut it now. You can finish the entire strip before cutting it, but make sure that you just keep pleating your flower and going around your wire. Make sure that the bottom of your flower is well formed and stuck to your wire, and then cut out the excess, and boom, your flower is ready. So make as many as you want. Baby breath flowers can be used alone, or they can be used as filler flowers. So you can make as many as you want to support your flowers, or maybe on a wedding cake or on a birthday cake. They are fit for any kind of cake decoration. So our flowers are ready. I'm just going to be dusting them with some shimmer dust, just to make them sparkle when they come in contact with light. And then I'm going to be using my tape to tape them together, my florist tape to tape them together, and they are ready to be used. For For more videos on wafer paper, please click our video list titled wafer paper, and you can watch many other kinds of wafer paper flower videos. Also, do not forget to subscribe. Remember to give us a thumbs up, drop your comments, and share the videos with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.